This video is part of our information series and covers trunk line installations. This video will cover best practices, components, fittings, and types of pipe that can be used in a typical trunk line install. It's important to note that before laying out your pipe installation assembly, you should find the longest run sections available in your assembly area so that you can run your trunk line and have all other lines lead to and through that pre-installed trunk line system. That trunk line is typically a rigid set of pipes that are then connected into through Ys. It is noted that you can use flex line, up to 25 feet of flex line in your installs, and that can be used in each branch and section going to each port if needed. Once you've installed the main trunk line, you should then go and install each riser assembly. That includes installing your riser pipe, your pipe bracket, your port 90, and your port bracket. This allows you to locate and then flow back through the installation to your jet pack. Moving from your riser pipe from your port and then moving back towards your trunk line, each one of your connections will be connected with a Y. That allows objects to move through your pipe assembly smoothly and without heavy impacts that will slow or stop items from moving freely through your system. Each one of your connections in your trunk line assemblies has standards that should be followed. Each line tying into the trunk line needs to be tied in using a Y. You can use 45s and sweep 90s. You can use up to 5 sweep 90s on each home run line going to a port. There must be 18 inches of pipe between 45s, and each long run should have a clean out cap provided to be able to unjam a stop in the line if that should occur. You can also use flex line. Flex line connectors are made with flexible fittings, typically rubber fittings, and should tie into hard line before they hit your riser to port connection. And those are all of the standard practices for installing your trunk line system.